Welcome. It's a quick and easy tutorial. I'll be showing you how to give someone access to a Google Drive link. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, bring up your favorite browser and just go ahead over to drive.google.com. All right, wait for it to load. Once it loads, make sure that you're signed in. And then once you're in here, just go ahead over to your Drive and then just go ahead and find the specific file. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and share this picture. Okay, so what you can do is just go ahead and right click on it and click on share. Now do not copy the link yet. Click on share right here. Okay, click on it. Now make sure that you set this one to what? Restricted or anyone with link. And that is if you want to share it to everyone that got the link, of course. All right. Now, if you just want to share it to a specific person, go ahead and click on restricted. And what you'll do, as it says here, only people with access can open this link or file. So go ahead and type down the email address of the person. For example, I'm going to send it to my friend right here. Okay. And then once that's done, give the permission, what? Viewer, commenter, or editor. So go ahead and click on send and send it to them directly and make sure that they log into the same exact account. So I'm going to click on send right here. And then as you can see here, I just received this email and here we have the picture or the file. We can just go ahead and click on open, download it if they want to. All right. And that is how easy it is to give someone access to a Google Drive link. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.